The Indian economy, currently the fifth largest globally, grew at an impressive YoY rate of 7.2% in FY 2023, the fastest among major economies post-COVID-19. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, projects India's YoY growth at 6.3% in FY 2024, again the fastest among major economies. Critics argue for using compound annual growth rates pre-COVID-19, but the article defends YoY rates, emphasizing the recovery component post-pandemic. The government's measures since 2014, including economic liberalization, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, demonetization, GST, and CAPEX programs, have contributed to growth. The focus on inclusive growth is evident in poverty reduction and rural development initiatives.
In 2006, the Nithari, Noida case involving the discovery of bones of 19 children and women led to convictions of Surendra Kohli and Moninder Singh Pandher. Kohli confessed to rape, murder, and cannibalism, leading to his death sentence in 2009, later commuted to life. Recently, the Allahabad High Court acquitted Kohli in 12 cases, citing flaws in the investigation. Public anger at perceived failure of justice reveals a need to question investigative conduct and avoid demanding convictions at any cost, preserving the rule of law and protecting against state power. The pursuit of accountability shouldn't compromise a broken criminal justice system.
The Indian government's underutilized production-linked incentives, PLI, for semiconductor manufacturing, with 38,601 crore rupees allocated, prompts scrutiny of its objectives. While the PLI schemes aim to attract an ecosystem for enhanced value addition in electronics manufacturing, uncertainties persist. The focus on large manufacturing plants and limited scope for incentivizing design discourage multinational chipmakers. Clarity on desired outcomes, whether safeguarding cyber sovereignty, reducing electronics costs, or positioning India as a global manufacturing center, is crucial. Policy adjustments are needed to ensure tangible results before substantial PLI spending occurs with minimal impact.
The Supreme Court of India has given the government 4 weeks to finalize an optimal menstrual hygiene policy, focusing on sanitary napkin distribution and setting a national model for girls' toilets in schools. Despite advancements and urbanization, affordability and access remain issues, particularly in rural areas. The National Family Health Survey 5 reveals disparities, with 73% of rural and 90% of urban women using hygienic menstrual protection. The link between education and hygiene preference is evident. The government's draft policy is awaited, emphasizing the need for affordable hygiene products, clean toilets, and comprehensive menstrual health support for women.
The Agartala Akhaura rail link, inaugurated by Indian PM Narendra Modi and Bangladeshi PM Sheikh Hasina, connects India's northeast with Bangladesh, reducing travel time between Agartala and Kolkata from 31 hours to 10 hours. Costing 862.58 crore rupees on the Indian side, the project supports India's Act East policy and Neighbourhood First policy, enhancing connectivity, boosting trade, and promoting small-scale industries and tourism in the region. The rail link is part of the ongoing effort to strengthen India-Bangladesh ties and facilitate cross-border transportation of essential commodities, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The Indian government has instructed social media intermediaries to remove deepfake videos within 24 hours of receiving a complaint, following the IT Rules 2021. Deepfakes, created using artificial intelligence, AI, allow individuals to manipulate audiovisual content easily. The directive comes after deepfake videos of actors Rashmika Mandanna and Katrina Kaif surfaced online. Deepfake technology, using generative adversarial networks, GANs, learns subjects' movements and facial expressions to create realistic fake content. Concerns arise as cybercriminals increasingly use deepfakes, with predictions that the technology may replace phishing in the future. Other countries, like the EU and the US, are also addressing deepfake challenges.